F-15E Eagle Fighter Jet Air Force. Manufacturer, McDonnell Douglas. Service, USAF. Armament, M61A Sidewinder, 4x AIM-120 AMRAAMs, 8x AIM-120 AMRAAM. 20 AMRAAM. Power plant, 2 Pratt Whitney 220 or 229 turbofan engines with afterburners. Speed, 1,802. Range, 3,400. The F-15 Eagle has been the U.S. Air Force's primary fighter jet decades. The Eagle's air superiority is its maneuverability and acceleration, range, weapons and avionics. It can penetrate enemy defense and out-aircraft. The F-15 has electronic fire, track and attack enemy aircraft while operating in friendly or enemy-controlled airspace. The weapons and flight control system quickly and effectively perform air-to-air combat. The F-15's superior maneuver through high engine thrust-to-weight ratio and low wing loading. Low wing loading, the ratio of air-idle factor in maneuverability and, combined with the high thrust-to-weight ratio, enables the aircraft to turn tightly without losing airspeed.